Welcome to my comprehensive review of Public, the personal finance app that aims to revolutionize how you invest and interact with your finances. Public stands out from traditional finance apps by merging stock and crypto trading with a social community, offering users a transparent and interactive experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step, from signing up to making your first trade, while highlighting its key features and benefits. The sign-up process for Public is straightforward. You simply download the app, create an account, and verify your identity. Once you're in, you'll notice a sleek, user-friendly interface. The homepage features a personalized feed with real-time stock and crypto updates, news articles, and insights from other investors. This social aspect allows you to follow seasoned traders, interact with their posts, and even share your own investing journey. One of the standout features of Public is its commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs. Unlike some platforms, Public allows fractional share investing, which is perfect for those who want to get started with smaller amounts of money. Additionally, Public recently introduced crypto trading, making it an all-in-one platform for diverse investment needs. Another key feature is the Themes section, where you can explore investment categories like green energy, tech giants, or women in leadership. This feature simplifies the research process, allowing you to align your investments with your interests or values. Public takes transparency seriously. Instead of relying on payment for order flow, PFOF, which some users find controversial, they've opted for a tipping model to ensure your trades are executed with integrity. This commitment to ethics sets Public apart in the crowded investing app space. The app also offers powerful educational resources. From in-app guides to live Q&A sessions with financial experts, Public makes sure users of all experience levels feel supported. Plus, their customer support team is responsive and available directly through the app. Security is a top priority for Public. They implement bank-level encryption and provide SIPC insurance for your investments, giving you peace of mind as you grow your portfolio. During my review, I found the social investing aspect both engaging and informative. Being able to see how others approach their trades, ask questions, and share strategies creates a sense of community that's rare in the world of finance apps. However, it's worth noting that Public currently lacks certain advanced tools that more experienced traders might require, like detailed technical analysis charts. Overall, Public is an excellent platform for beginner and intermediate investors looking for an accessible, transparent, and community-driven investing experience. Whether you're starting small with fractional shares or exploring new trends in crypto, Public has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tutorials on personal finance tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.